Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. For this week, we are going to be working with one of the new bundles, the Lily of the Valley bundle. You can get it as a stamp set, the die is the bundle, and with it is the Valley in Bloom Designer Series paper. Now, this is the Valley in Bloom Designer Series paper, and the colors are Basic Beige, Blackberry Bliss, Coastal Cabana, Darling Duckling, Garden Green, Granny Apple Green, Lemon Lime Twist, and Pretty Peacock. So it is absolutely gorgeous paper. So let's just I've already cut mine down to 5 1/4 by 4. This sheet was this kind of in each corner. So when I cut it down, I've got it going mostly like this. This is the back side. These are, in quilting, I would call this a really good blender because it can tie colors together or different fabrics together. But this is gorgeous. I love the the whimsy of the lines not being even. This is another large page that has kind of an open middle. So when I cut it up, these ones are really good for scrapbooking if you're keeping your pages as 12 by 12. I just absolutely love the colors in here. And I'm just having, look, this is the Blackberry Bliss in here. Can you imagine this on a card? Oh, okay. And this is the back side of that one. This is just so pretty. So pretty. And then again, this kind of blender color that can tie things together. And then we've got a really nice kind of mottled green, so that it's got depth to it. It's not just flat. So if you were to cut leaves out of this, you'd get kind of the different nuances of light on the leaves. And then this is really cute. This is, again, your basic beige. And we've got a nice just sprigs and then some small flowers. And this is probably my favorite paper in all of this. It is just so happy. And then we've got that same kind of pattern as some of the other pieces, but just in that Darling Duckling. So that is our Designer Series paper. It's Valley in Bloom. These will be available the first week in May to customers. They're available to demonstrators now as a pre-order. So the dies are really good. We've got this die will cut out the leaves from the stamp set. This die doesn't have a stamp, but what it does have is another die that you can cut out 3 little flowers all at once. And you could do this in a green and then do these in whatever color you want, and then glue them over top. So you get that, you get the effect of the flowers on the vine. This die cuts out this stamp. And then this stamp has the die that goes with it. This leaf here is the fill for these. It will fill this one, and you'll have to wiggle it to fill this one. It won't be exact. It'll be kind of like one of those watercolor wash kind of looks. And then we've got the detailed leaf here as part of the die set. This die, super fun. Look at this. It's like a woven kind of, let me just grab something to put behind it. It's like a woven cane kind of look. So I'm really excited to be working with that as well. The stamps in the set are really good as well. We've got a really beautiful happy birthday. And then we've got some kind of secondary greetings. So to one of the nicest people I know. And then so grateful for you, a little thanks, to a forever kind of friend, and happy for you. So we've got happy birthday to a forever kind of friend, happy birthday to one of the nicest people I know. And then like a little thanks, so grateful for you. You could put those together. So this really kind of, you could really mix and match your greetings on this one. There's no rule that says you can only use one greeting on the front of the card. You can kind of mix and match them to tell a bit of a story if you want. So I'm going to go ahead and start working with this set. I'm going to do a card video for right after this one, and then I will do 3 more throughout the week. I am traveling for the next 2 weeks, I'm on a bus tour with my mom, and we are going to Paducah, Kentucky for AQS Quilt Week, and then we're going to Missouri Star. So shop hopping all the quilt shops along the way. So if I'm a little bit slower getting back to your comments in the next couple of weeks, please forgive me. I am watching, but I'll only have access to the comments and that once we're stopped for the evening. So I'm really looking forward to that. I'll do a couple of little short videos while I'm away at Quilt Week and that. But for now, let's keep going with this Lily of the Valley bundle.